29th, so yesterday was the 28th. Yep, you were right. Welcome back, everybody. Today, I think I can hear it reverbing through your speakers. Nope, just let it be. November 29th, we are on our last full day here in the Fredericksburg area, and we are just exploring. Ooh, I thought we were going to bottom out there. Some of the backcountry roads here in central Texas. We're using the Rever app to guide us through, and yesterday we had a lot of technical difficulties. We've discovered that most of those technical difficulties were because we don't know what we're doing. User error. We still do not have Debbie mic'd up, so I'll just let you know what she says. But we're using the Rever app to guide us through a 100-mile loop today. And we tried the turn-by-turn directions, but it kept trying to get us back to Fredericksburg if we made a wrong turn. So now we're just going to follow the dotted line. Oh, that's pretty over there. And about the only thing everybody has missed so far is a lot of these cattle guards. And I mean, the road, it's going through people's property, so it's cutting ranches in half, and some of the property is absolutely gorgeous. Ooh, a water crossing. I love water crossings. Where's the water crossing? No, it's right here. There's no water. It's going underneath us. Oh, look how clear that is. That is crazy clear. I want to go into a water crossing. Okay, I'll turn around if you want me to. No. Yeah. I do like it out here. I see why people live out here. See, we can get land out here. Oh, cattle guard. These cattle guards sneak up on me, and this Spyder sits very low in the nose. I've had an F3 and I had the Fox shocks. I was able to adjust the nose up about an inch higher than this one. I can't adjust the ride height on this, so everywhere we go, we're just ripping the nose off of this Spyder. So these cattle guards sneak up on me, and we hit a couple times really hard yesterday. But so far we haven't bottomed out. All right, we're coming up here, and my phone's shaking too much. 2093, we're turning left. Yep. Are you looking over my shoulder? Backseat driver. Well, one of these days you're going to be a front seat driver. Get you in the neighborhood. What's that? Yeah, one of these days. We can ask a poll who wants to see Debbie ride the Spyder, and everybody's gonna be like, yeah, do it. You won't look back. This road looks like it could be fun. Yeah. Yeah, those are my favorite signs. That's a pretty piece of property too. Oh. Another water crossing. I liked all the... I have a mic hanging out from underneath my helmet. Look at that. Just how clear. I love it. All the little creeks back home, they weren't... I mean, there were some that were clear, but there were a lot that were like green and murky looking. It's weird. Like Monday Creek, I would follow... Oh. Well, hi. Is that a jackass in the middle of all the... Hi. Can I steal you? Oh, that's funny. Move. Oh, that one's following us. We can outrun it. Yeah, the one's bedding down. Keep an eye on that cow, make sure she don't charge us. She's like, I know you're gonna steal one of my babies. Look at that. That would be an awesome... Yeah, we are. Stealing a baby. That would be an awesome view. Why? I'll be like, what did I do? Put it on my Spyder? There's some more cows. I think it's hilarious. How many cows have I seen in my whole entire life? Like a ton and a half. And I'm just like, ooh, more cows. Yep. That they are. Oh, street sign right. What am I responding to, dear? Oh, yeah, I guess I should do that, shouldn't I? She says that I shouldn't say that I'm stealing a cow, because if someone hears me say I'm stealing a cow and then a cow comes up missing, I'll just blame it on the coyotes. Is what I'll do. Because we can't put a cow on the Spyder. I would love to put a cow on the Spyder. I think that would be awesome. Yes, we would definitely bottom out. Take me oh, it's raining again. Whoosh. Yeah, that one was a big one, huh? Just spitting a little bit of rain. Oh, big one, big one, big one. Ah. Woo, we came across that one quick. You just need to slow down. Yeah. And another one. And we got a truck. Thank you. Fine, don't wave back. Ah, that's more important. Has it stopped raining yet? There we go. I have to ride with my visor up. So everywhere I go, I ride with my visor up. It's hell on my face, but I need the air on my face. And these things are horrible because they're like, well, these aren't, but the ones yesterday, they have like, they have like a concrete base around them. So the concrete base doesn't sink into the road. This is a tiny little road. Yep, see how this has the concrete base and the concrete doesn't sink and the road sinks, and then you got that big edge that you slam into. Oh, Yeah, look at that little one. They're chasing us. It was one of those that Nina likes. Yeah, with the shaky little butt. Yep, corgi. I thought I saw a third dog join. Oh, that's a nice house though. Look at that. Oh, look at those. I want that one. Yeah, see, it knows. It wants to come with us. Let's get it. There's 27 acres. Am I right? Get land in Ohio a lot cheaper than down here. Oh, look at those. Impalas or yeah, that's a big one. And we can't put the Spyder in the back of it. Look at all the apple. Probably for the deer. Yeah, and these old structures, they just blow my mind. We've had some conversation today about these old structures and how these people lived, and I know since I've been in Texas, I have just been eaten up with fire ants. I haven't been stung by a scorpion yet, and I haven't seen a tarantula. But just to think how people had to come across this land back in the day. Again, how I found these roads, I just went onto the Rever app, put on I wanted twisty roads, G1, G2, and G3s, and I built the route. I don't like the turn by turn because, like I said, if it thinks we missed a turn, it tries to route us back, so I like the follow the line. It was difficult to get used to yesterday, but I find it easier on my old brain doing follow the line than the turn by turn. So I think on that I'm gonna let everybody go. If we come up to anything exciting, I'll definitely come back. So if you could, give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road. And of course, Debbie says, later. Oh, she says hello. Deer where? To my right. Oh yeah, okay. They're keeping the deer in.